Townhomes like this don't last long in Summerlin, and here's why. This house has a bedroom downstairs, gated neighborhood, no rear neighbor, and qualifies for a below market interest rate for your first few years. Let's take a look. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome everyone to my newest listing. Now this is 600 North Carriage Hill Drive, unit 1184. Now this beautiful townhome is going to be an end unit. Okay, so this is 4 bedrooms, including a bedroom downstairs, 3 bath, 1966 square feet, and it's priced at $530,000. Now you will not find another townhome in Summerlin with a bedroom downstairs that's as new as this for that price, okay? But yeah, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located. So we're here in West Summerlin. We're right off of the 215 in Far Hills. Really great area. Summerlin is definitely one of the most highly desired areas in all of Las Vegas. You're gonna have downtown Summerlin close by if you like to shop. You have Red Rock Hotel Casino close by as well. Great schools if you like hiking, Red Rock Canyons. Okay, so great for families. Overall, one of the most popular places in Las Vegas. I'll show you around the area here. One of the great things about my listing as well is, as you can see on this other side, this is a park, okay? So there's gonna be no neighbors right in front of you. As you can see these windows, this is gonna be the 2 guest bedrooms. So they're gonna have views of a park instead of views of another townhouse. But yeah, let's get started. So right over here, you're gonna have a beautiful courtyard. As you can see, it does have turf. You'll also have your condenser right there. So as we approach this front door, you're gonna notice video doorbell. Now welcome in. As soon as you walk in, you're gonna notice a 9-foot ceilings. Now upstairs as well, you do have 9-foot ceilings as well. Okay, so you got your dining room, kitchen, and then your living room. So as you can see, because we are an end unit, you're gonna have these windows to the side, which is gonna allow for a lot of natural light to come in. Okay, now right over here, you're gonna have your coat closet. All right. So yeah, this listing, all the appliances are included. Now guys, the benefits about buying a resale home as well is not only are the appliances included, but you also have things like this right here. So down over here, you're gonna have an RO system. The house already has an RO system, reverse osmosis, so that way you do have drinking water already. This house does have a water softener system, which I will show you. So right here, you're gonna have your dishwasher. Okay. Now this house was built in 2023, so it's fairly new, guys. It definitely feels new inside the house. Okay, so this is gonna be your pantry. Let's take a look at these cabinets. Okay. So here, you have a really nice texture right here. You're gonna have the flat corner edge. Now this is gonna be your bedroom downstairs. Now, not too many townhomes in Summerlin have a bedroom downstairs. I was actually looking at a lot of the listings of townhomes here in Summerlin. I think if you're looking for a bedroom downstairs, this is going to be the best deal in the area. There's a couple of listings as well that in this neighborhood that have the same square feet floor plan, but they're priced a lot higher. There's a neighbor in the front. Yeah, this is by far a much better deal. Okay, and we offer the if you use the preferred lender, we also have like the 2-1 buy down. So that just means like your interest rate for the first year is going to be 2% less than market, and then the following year it's going to be 1% less, and then it's locked in at the market interest rate for the third till the end of the loan. So this is going to be the garage right here. Okay. So you do have your tankless water heater. Right over here, you're going to have a water softener. So again, with new construction homes, sometimes buy a property, you have to buy this eventually afterwards, but this house already comes included with that. Now, this is going to be the street where all the garages line up. But yeah, as you can see, beautiful views. So look over there, you have like mountain views. Okay. And then just to the right over there, you're going to have places to park. Show you guys upstairs. So the beautiful tile flooring have the brown flooring. Okay, so you do have a couple of landing steps, which is really nice. Okay, so 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. But yeah, take a look. So you're gonna have your 2 bedrooms over there. You're gonna have your nice loft here, laundry room, and then your primary bedroom. Okay, so yeah, we'll start off over here. We'll check out these guest bedrooms. Okay, so again, these things are transfer grills up top. It helps regulate the airflow in the house. And it prevents doors from slamming, like if the window is open. Okay. But yeah, you also have a pre-wire for the ceiling fan. But yeah, see, check it out. With these 2 bedrooms, usually for most of these townhomes, you're gonna have another unit right over here in front of you. But as you can see, you have just a beautiful park right there. So, definitely a little bit more privacy. You don't have your neighbor's window looking right at you. Okay, here's guest bedroom number 2. Again, now this one's gonna have a pre-wire for the ceiling fan up top. As you can see, this has a same view of the park. Okay, you have your standard closets right here. Now this is going to be the bath upstairs. Okay, so you do have the dual sinks, under mount sinks. Okay, white cabinets, shower tub combo right here. Okay, fiberglass surround, super easy to clean. This is going to be your toilet room. Okay, nice loft. I love lofts. It's a great area to just hang out, watch TV. You can make this an office space as well. Okay, so I'll take you guys to the primary bedroom. So you're gonna have your linen closet right here. Again, washer and dryer already included, something you don't have to worry about when you're purchasing a resale home. And then a great thing I love about this floor plan is you're actually gonna have his and her closets. So let's take a look. So this is a good sized closet already, right? And then you're also gonna have this closet as well. Primary bedroom. Plenty of space. You have a window right here. You're gonna have another window right there. Yeah, see, very open. Look at all this space. I believe this is gonna be a queen size bed. And welcome to the primary bath. So you are gonna have this separate tub, and then you also have this walk-in shower. Okay. Also dual sinks. And then you have your toilet room. But yeah, that wraps it up from my newest townhome listing here in Summerlin. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.